Hi Year 5, it's Mrs Gibbons. So this is just an extra task as a follow-on to a lesson that we did about the South Col route, where you were looking at the route and labelling it. So what I'd like you to do as a bit of a follow-on to that is I'd like you to listen to the video again and make some notes about that route. So that South Col route is the route that Edmund Hillary followed when he successfully climbed Everest. And then what I'd like you to do is put together a visual fact file. So I've done an example for you to have a look at. Now, the reason I like it to be visual is when you write a fact as part of a picture or with an image alongside it, it is easier for the fact to stick in your long-term memory. So, for example, when we were looking at deforestation, we did something similar in my class. I don't know if every other class did it, but we had to write facts about deforestation in this same way using visuals. And I can still remember now some of the facts that were on the example I did because I can picture it in my mind. So I know, for example, I wrote a fact that was referring to palm oil, which is one of the reasons for deforestation. I remember it because I drew a jar of Nutella with that fact inside it because I know palm oil is in Nutella, and so that's stuck in my mind. I also did a football shape and wrote about how many football pitches worth of forest was being destroyed every month. So because I can picture in my mind those pictures, it helps me to recall the facts. So what I'd quite like you to do is write down some facts about Mount Everest, well, that particular route, the South Col route, and then try and represent it visually in the same, mine's just obviously an example that gives you an idea. So for example, Lot's face is a steep, shiny ice wall. Now I know that does not look like Lot's face because that's part of a mountain, but I can visualize a wall and that helps me to remember that that's what Lot's face is. It's a wall of ice. Also, the Cumbria Glacier is a 10-mile river of ice, so I've put that fact in an ice cube. I've had a go, not a very good one admittedly, but a go at drawing a crevasse, which is a deep wedge-shaped opening. I've got a fact here about Hillary's Step, which is obviously the part of the ridge that connects up the South Summit with the True Summit. So again, I've drawn it as steps. Obviously that isn't what it looks like on the mountain, but it's going to help me remember that there's a fact there about a step. So that's just an idea of how I have approached it. Obviously you can use your own imagination, and there were lots of other facts in that presentation, or you might want to add your own. But I do want you to focus on the South Col route rather than just general facts about Everest. I want you to try and focus on that particular route. You could maybe include how many camps they had on the way up when they were climbing with Edmund Hillary, etc. It's up to you really. So I hope you enjoy that. Take care. See you later. Bye.